be tripping, I be on one. When I'm out of town, I be tripping, I be on one. Why you taking pictures in that lamb hill on? This is where you get streams every morning, so I don't think it would hurt. Yo, what's good, boys? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Everyone like it up before we start here. When I'm out of town, I be tripping, I be on one. Biting pictures in that lamb hill on one. Song once. New shirt, I see. Okay. It's not a new shirt. I just never wear it. Can you explain your strategy in simple terms? I trade the opening breakout, basically. So, what do you think about using market manipulation strategy? That's basically what I do already. You ever buy a pro plan on for FS replay biceps there? It has per second data? Hell no. I'm not trying to spend like hours on it here. I'm already profitable, and yeah. I don't know. I'm not trying to spend hours and hours doing this shit. I got shit to do, unfortunately. So nah, I won't. No, you cannot. Yes, I do. Use for value gaps. Yeah, you can see you're already here. Do I trade 5 days a week? Not. It depends. It depends if there's a good setup. If there's a good setup, I will. If there's not a good setup, I won't. So yeah. Got those bull bear raids. Be it. Yeah, it's not that big of a problem though. Yes, equal highs and lows got patched. It was one loss. It was one loss, and everyone's tweaking out. And it did end up hitting take profit, just so I got stopped out beforehand. Alright, what percent of students won this week? Got no money. I think it was 87%, which is insane. I didn't have an 87% chance of not having to work a 9 to 5 ever again. How crazy is that? Yeah. 87% of my students had a winning week. Insane. Holy. That might be the highest ever. Yeah. Oh. Watch out for my doors. Lambo, that bitch roar. How to use a soft stop loss? I just take out a trade whenever I'm not confident. That's really it. What's the secret to staying locked in? If you don't lock in, you're going to clock in for 45 years of your life every single day. So that's a pretty good motivation to me, at least. And ES is just shitty. I don't know. ES isn't bad. It's fine, but it's not as good. The yesterday would have been a Fire Friday? Yeah. A lot of my free students took it, so I'm very happy with that. Trading got patched. Bro, what? Trading is not patched. Ooh, sang. Have you thought about dropping a vague explaining strategy? I have a free fucking course. Oh my god, guys. Come on. Come on. What the fuck? How into do you log in the poll? Perfect, bro. What would you say your win rate is? Stand my piece of my cues. This is over 10 months. Oh my gosh, this is over 11 months now. This is almost over a year. Holy shit. Why is this not? I didn't mean to do that. I don't know what that wasn't. So yeah, this is my win rate over 11 months now. That's insane. Guys, I promise you, when I started tracking my win rate, I thought it was gonna be like 50. And it just started very high, and then it never went down, which is insane. Insane, yeah. Here says your live streams, but in your virtual video explaining your strat, it isn't mentioned about everything you do prior. Yeah, so I don't give everything away for free, type of thing. I give away enough for you to be profitable, but there's obviously a next level to it. So yeah. Do you recommend stacking 100K funded? Yeah, you could definitely stack funded. That's a great way to do it. I kind of did that as well. Wait. There was a bug. What the fuck? It was like a little fly or something. I don't know, but yeah. I did two 200K fundeds in the beginning, and that's basically how I got it. When you want to lock in before you make it, you still hang out with your friends? So, kind of yes, kind of no. I don't know. Like, I still hung out with friends, but it's like I kind of didn't as well because they would just go to parties and shit, and I just wasn't on that. So, I would definitely still hung out with them, but like I lived with them in college, so it's not like I didn't hang out with them because I'm obviously with them all the time. But I never like went to parties with them or anything, so I just hung out less, I'd say. Yeah. Do you journal? What do you think this fucking is? Can't believe I've been doing this for almost a year. It's insane. Used to trade gold. Yeah, it was just the same strat. Do I play Fortnite? I don't, unfortunately. On your opinion, what firm are the best to trade CFDs? CFDs, the only one I know of CFDs is FTP, or FTMO is pretty good. I had a partnership offer from FTMO, but I'm not a sellout, so yeah. I'm stuck in a learning stage. What do you advise you to get to excel further? Just stay consistent. Over time, you're gonna get much better and better all the time. So just stay consistent. That's all you can really do. If there was a way to fucking fast track immediately to making money, then everyone would be rich. There isn't. You have to like be very consistent and everything. I just eyeball it for sure. How much can you make with a 100K live account with 50-to-1 leverage? I mean, you can make infinite amount of money. Technically, I don't know what you're asking there. I used FTP, but their fills are kind of going down the drain. No, I had 0 friends I could lock in with. I just did it by myself. That would be crazy, bro. That's awesome. Hey, bro, do you have a YouTube channel? Oh, my God. How long will the Discord server exist? Probably forever. Go Roblox. Oh, my gosh. Journal as in your thought process. Put me in half. Let's pick a random video. How's this for thought process? The whole entire live stream of me trading. It's edging me. Oh my god, why are we edging me? Boom. Let's go. Let's fucking. It's edging me. Oh my god, why are we edging me? 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 There's no fucking way. There's no fucking way. We're gonna turn around off that. There's no way. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Come on. Come on. Bang! Let's go! Oh my. There you go. There's the whole entire session and everything for that. So yeah. Do you trade? No, I do OnlyFans. I've been trading for 3 years now. I would just say give it a week, Christian, and then you should be fine. Oh my god, how many hours of live market experience do I have? Holy. Let me think about this. So I was doing like, I've been at it for ×2, and then recently it hasn't been as much. Probably like, shoot, I forget what the number just was. Ah, damn, wait 1 sec. I would say about like 5,000 hours. That's probably it. Some of these questions are diabolical. I'm in the paid Discord, but I don't see any extra resources explaining your strat. Are you in the mentorship or just the foundations? I have the weapon. Should I start with 5K or straight up 100K prop? I would probably just do the funded account. When I win like 20% on a funded account and then lose some account gone. Yes, that's why funded accounts kind of suck, unfortunately. How to get an 8-inch veto? Just be genetically gifted. Thank you only for the knowledge. I'll catch you next time. Realize on text. Bet SVJ money? Yes, sir. You're broke? Yes, I am broke. My Lamborghini is fake. It's AI generated. This is AI generated too. I'm AI generated. I'm not even real, actually. I'm 4 years younger than you with 130 and 2 points. Save. What should I do? Just practice on demo, gang. You'll be chilling. I traded with like $500,000 in capital. You have hella money saved up? Yeah. I turn 21 next year. That means you're almost the same age as me. If you trade DAX on an open, you will be double your money, bro, for sure. I have other ways to triple my money, so I don't have to do it. Where can you see the live streams? You're on the fucking live stream right now. Oh, wait, are you saying the full live streams? Bro, I was about to be like, no way. So if you go into my free Discord, there's a tab, and it just links you to this right here. And you can see all the days that I think that there's something valuable to learn, I put it in this. So yeah, that's what I do. We're about to say different every day. How do you determine what to risk like per point? I have a lot size calculator. How much you made from the WAP? A lot less than I made from trading, unfortunately, which sucks. What car do I drive? I drive a Lamborghini Huracan, tuned with an exhaust. Use your shutters for doing night drive. Why would I speedrun a Shopify store? What? Why did you get zygomatic implants? That's insane. I wish I didn't get zygomatic implants. That would be pretty sick. Yeah, I used to go to UConn. How do you deal with friends and family asking you to be put on and asking for money? Just say no. And yeah. What do you think to buy after payout? You can. That might work. Like how you celebrate every win. I don't really celebrate any wins. I don't really care that much. I've known Derek for a couple years, like 3 years. What % of what you make per month do you withdraw? Just whatever I feel like. Like if I'm gonna buy something like the Lamborghini, I'll just take out some money, type of thing. Like when I bought the Lambo, I just took out whatever I made for that month and then paid for the Lambo with it. You need to get Derek locked in again. He's spending too much time with the gold digging huzz. He's in Canada right now with her, so he's not even here. So good luck on that. Flip 100 to 1K challenge. Why would I do that when I can just trade normally? Why would I only want to make $900 when I could just make $26,000 in a week? Like, why would I ever do that? Any measure to avoid getting stopped out when price retraces? I'll put your stop loss in the right spot, and then it won't happen. To be honest, you trade because strategy that you know. Nah, I never traded ICT. I traded like smart money concepts and all that. I bought my first 25K funded on FTP. Yeah, that's what I did. Chosen 122. Commonly, so it's different every single time, but like my risk to reward ratios are between a 1-to-1 and a 1-to-2. It's very varied based off liquidity for value gaps, just how the trade's looking, right? Because you can't have the same RR for a market that's different every day type of thing. Do I trap it oil? No, not really. What do you mean you don't celebrate wins? You scream every time you hit ATP hit? That's more just like for social media. Just clip farming it. But yeah. If you were to relocate, where would you go? I don't know. I'm too young to even think about that. Challenge is not for profit, but for content. I care more about profit than I do content. Best prop out there? I think Top Step's very good. House by the beach? Yeah, I'll definitely get a beach house for sure. Those are pretty sick. There's a lot of them over here. Can you put your removed YouTube videos on Google Drive? You benefit from them. Basically, they already are. Like, it's just a full live stream to a Google Drive. So yeah, that's what I do. I'm gonna upgrade your apartment. I'll just move to a better one soon. And use a hard stop loss. Nope, I don't have a hard stop loss because I'm always watching it. I risk 5,000 to 7,500 per trade. Get on dating apps. Dude, that shit doesn't work. I get 0 matches. Have juice on dare grab a girlfriend. What is Polo? I don't even know what that is. You ever make weekly psychology classes? I don't know. I'm not very good at the whole psychology part because I don't sugarcoat it at all, and some people don't like that. So I tell the truth even if they don't want to hear it. So that's not really something I'll be very good at. 19 years old, only 2 years. Hope to be a millionaire by then. Yeah, if you put the work in. That's cool. Does Armani stay with you? No, he doesn't. What's your plan for today? I'm gonna hit this, and then I'm going out with 3 of my boys to some dinner. And I'm probably gonna buy the Meta glasses. But yeah. You got cash out. I want to give you $1. It's okay, bro. You can keep the $1. How much you up this month? The month just started. Oh, I'm up 26,000 because it's been 1 week. So this is what it is right here. So yeah. You should try to make would be fire. What do you mean? How long did you save to buy the Lambo? I just took my profits from this month. I just used the money I made from July and then bought a Lambo with it. What do you think of AA bands hating on you? I don't even know who that is at all. Yeah, I don't know. It's okay. I don't know. I don't really get involved in all that. I wish him the best regardless. I hope he makes a lot of money. I hope his family's amazing. And I wish him the best in life, regardless of whether he likes me or not. Vito, do you always try to stick to the 1% capital rule? If you're on a funded account, yes, I like that. But on a live account, you don't have to stick with it, right? But yeah. What do you look for when market opens? I look for my strategy. How can you say you risk 5K trade when your stop loss can vary? It's around that or what? I don't quite. Yeah, so it's around 5K. That's why I said I risk 5K to 7.5K, somewhere within there. Shoot a better camera for YouTube videos. I just use my phone. That's it. Trade Zillow for journaling, not your Google Drive. LOL. I like the Google Drive better. Trading or dropshipping which one has more potential? I don't know, whatever one. Both of them work. Dropshipping is getting a lot harder to do, and I think dropshipping is a little bit more luck based. What makes more, you or Gay Juicy? He's worth more net worth wise, but I make a lot more per month than he does. So yeah, I'm 19 years old. You have long-term investments in QQQ or S&P? Yes, and fun fact, I actually gave them out for free. So on my Instagram story, I literally told you guys that I am entering QQQ, and this is what the trade is currently at. I gave this entry out for free for everyone on Instagram. On QQQ and S&P, it's basically the same. And I also gave out Bitcoin for free on both of these as well. Yeah, so I've literally handed people like hundreds of thousands of dollars if they just listen. And I've had people make hundreds of thousands of dollars off these trades. It's crazy. Because it happens when you listen. What do you do to reinvest your money? I have other things that I do to make more money that I'm just not as public about. But yeah, it's just more long-term stuff. Does your breakout strategy only work on New York Open? It doesn't only work, but it's much better. But yeah. A Band's the #1 hitting trader. That's okay. It's whatever. I don't really care. Would you recommend to use HeroFX? It's unregulated, so I mean, I'll never recommend someone to use it, but if you don't mind, then I think it's great. I just like everything done in crypto. Would you start a trading team? No. Hey, Professor, how was your week? My week was amazing. How was yours? I'm unable to trade because of school. I used to trade in school. So, yeah. How many accounts do I have? One. I use my own money. It took me like 2 years to be profitable. Or not. It took me like a year and a half to be profitable. But I was misled like crazy. Yeah, 25K probably is enough to go to a live account. What's the next step, bro, in trading journey / live? My next step. What is my next step? I would probably say just size up to risking 10K a trade type of thing. Yeah. Love the stream, bro, and would like to say you helped me change my trajectory of my life. Awesome. Love it, bro. Oh, yeah, I know you. I know you, Michael. How much you put in every trade you take? 5 to 7K around. We're driving, not seeing a losing day. Only wins. I feel like seeing how you take out of the trade is how you take out of a trade is really as important. So for the losing days, I just do trade recaps instead. Because a lot of those days I make a mistake, so I don't want people to see it and then think, oh, Vito did this, so let me do it. So I just do trade recaps on those instead. So yeah. Have you ever caught dude, that's insane. Do I have any real estate? Nah. Yo, Vito, I passed 100K funding. Congratulations, bro. Love it. How could you have all your money in Hero FX, bro? I don't have all my money in there. I'll buy your Discord membership, but I need money. Just use the free info and make money. 72% of my free members won this week too. How do you backtest your strat since it's based on volume, right? Not really. It's not really. Volume isn't as important as you would think. About 100K funded by no money. Perfect. Use that 100K funded to make some money. I started my live account with 100K. What if I'm broke and I want to trade like you? I mean, money amount doesn't affect the way you actually trade. It'll just affect how much you're making, but it's fine. Where are the trade recaps of losing days? I don't see them anywhere. It's on my WAP under the trade recap section. Dude, I haven't read a book in probably like 6 years, maybe more. Sky relationship with God, amazing. Please give me a deadline to see results in trading. I mean, there really is no deadline, to be honest. If you make it at all, you basically win at life. So it's crazy. I don't use any indicators. Look behind you. I'm on the KPMG. What the fuck is that? I don't even know what building. Oh. You're not. I don't know how you can even read that. That's crazy. Is trading the only shared income you have? I have some other ones, but it's mostly trading. So yeah, as it is. You post losing trades and go drive to on avoid losses, TBH. That's why I do the trade recaps on them. How did you manage your studies? Was the trades because it seemed like you started your just realized 3 months ago? I found a way. I mean, you have more than enough time to trade and study. I guarantee it. Yeah, I stacked 200K fundeds for sure. Yeah, I stacked 200K fundeds and I moved to a live account. How long did it take you to get to 200K? I don't even know. I don't remember. I can't give you an accurate answer on that. I'm sorry. I don't have money to activate the live account. Get a job then. What stat do you use? I don't know what stat. I use velocity trading strategy, if that's what you're asking. Yeah. Is that the best unregulated broker? In my opinion, I think it's very good. And TGR uses it. So if you trust them with like millions of dollars, then I haven't had any problems with them. I won't ever promote them. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not selling out on none of that. But that's just what I use. I'm not saying you should use it at all. Is all your BTC money through Coinbase? Yes. Coinbase is pretty good. You really answer DMs, bro, because I get hundreds of DMs every day. And my priority is the mentorship students. They get priority to my DMs and everything. Do I trade on MetaTrader 5? No. All right. Like, seriously, it's hard to get in touch with you. Yeah, it's because a lot of people are trying to get in touch with me. I'm sorry, bro. All right, let's start the live, or not the live trading, but the back testing. Let's start it up. All right, so we're just going to go over really quick. I didn't even do that. Hold up. We're just going to go over kind of what we took this week and did we do well, basically. All right, so let's start with NQ. So this week overall, we went 3 wins, 1 loss, and then 1 no trade. So pretty good. And honestly, these first 3 days were very easy. So a lot of people had a winning week, so I'm very happy about that. But let's go over what happened very briefly this week. Okay. All right. Boom. Monday fun day. What do we see? We have a bottom level here, right? And we have these for value gaps. So a lot of people say, oh, Vito's a supply and demand trader. No, I'm not. I use a lot more stuff than just fucking whatever, or not supply and demand. I meant support and resistance. So I use levels. And then I'll use everything else I know. So what do we see? I know it's going to get kind of crazy, but what do we see? First, we see 1. We come down, we wick this out, come all the way back. 3 major things happen off this. 1, we fill this for value gap and react off of it. 2, we sweep this liquidity and react off of it. 3, we come down, hit this level, react, and close right back at it. So that's 3 major confirmations that we're going to flip. And then at that point, I literally just took it based off those 3 confirmations. I saw a push, I saw a retrace, I saw a second push, boom, and I entered. This was a pretty small trade, I believe. Yeah, I had a pretty big stop loss on this trade. Kind of a mistake on my part, so I definitely could have done the stop loss a lot better. And I took profit based off this upper level here, right? So this is the trade. I saw 3 major signs that we're going to just kind of flip and reject this whole down move here. So then I took the retrace, took it just from level to level, took profit, and walked away for the day. So this is a very good trade, and I'm very happy with it. And it was a bank holiday. So again, a lot of people like to say, oh, Vito, bank holidays are bad. You shouldn't be trading, blah, blah, blah. If you actually took the time to look at how the bank holidays move, they don't move that bad at all. So I just took it. That's why my stop loss was so big. It was a bank holiday. So I want to be a little bit more passive. But yeah, overall, very, very good trade. And then you're going to see on Tuesday, and basically the same fucking thing happened, I'm pretty sure. Or it's Tuesday. All right, literally the same exact fucking thing happens on Tuesday, almost. All right, so we have our level here, in here, and this was not a level at the time. So yeah, these were the two levels I had. I had a top level here, bottom level here. What do we see? Oh my gosh, it's like the same exact thing just happened. Like, come on. Like, if you guys actually just pay attention to what's going on, you literally would have won the next day as well, because the same exact thing happened. So boom, what do we see? We come down. I guess those 4 things. Or no, there's 3. So boom, we come down. We sweep out this liquidity. We sweep out this liquidity, and we wick out this level and close above. 3 major reversal signs. So what are we doing? We have this upper level, so might as well just wait for that upper level to get broken. Push, retrace, second push, enter. Stop loss at the level. Take profit here at the start of this fair value gap. My stop loss was not that tight. How much did I make on this trade? Like 9? Yeah, my stop loss is way bigger on this trade. So this is the actual trade. So yeah, stop loss below the level, just in case you want to do something like this, right? Just so we don't get stopped out on that. And to take profit at the start of this fair value gap right here. So that was the trade. Let me put my stop loss. Yeah, so that was the trade. Very simple stuff. We come down, take out this liquidity, and we got this level. We take the reversal, push, retrace, second push, enter, take profit based off either liquidity, fair value gaps, or levels. Server for value gap, take profit, smashed. So yeah, that was pretty good stuff there. All right, and then, this is one of my other strategies that only my students get, the equal highs and lows strategy. So it's going to be a little bit off. We have our bottom level here, top level here, and we have equal lows. So off equal lows, we are feeding to take a trade off this. Dude, equal highs and lows is probably my favorite strategy ever. If I had to choose one strategy, it'd probably be equal highs and lows. It just doesn't set up that often. So boom, equal highs. We have equal lows on the 15-minute here. What do we see? Market opens here. We see a retrace. We see a push. Since it's equal highs and lows, we take it immediately. Immediately. Boom. We fly down. Stop loss at the top of this body. Take profit at the equal lows. Massive, massive trade here. I risked more because it's equal highs and lows, and the win rate on that strategy is very high. And I gave it out for free. Literally, in the free Discord, before market opens, I do a stream or whatever. I literally said this is exactly what I'm looking for. And then everyone fucking took it and won. So it was amazing. Very, very easy stuff. Very, very free equal highs and lows trade here. Love it. Again, you don't have to wait for second push since it's equal highs and lows. And then we got Tuesday or Thursday. Yeah, Thursday I got low-key sold. I ain't gonna lie. I sold. So yeah, I just sold. I just missed this. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shoot, I'm not even marking it down. All these days would have been wins though. Shoot. One sec. NASDAQ was amazing this week. This should have been a win as well. I just missed it. We come down, we wick out this bottom level, and then we see that push up. If you long literally anywhere within this, you win, bro. Take profit here, right? And then stop loss like at the level type of thing. Boom, very easy trade. I just missed it. I don't remember why I missed it, and I actually ended up losing on this day off equal lows. Yeah, it was because I was looking for these equal lows. So I was looking at the equal lows, and I just straight up missed this trade. Honestly, I really should have taken this. Just a straight up mistake for me. I'm not going to lie. Mistakes happen. I made a mistake, and I just missed this trade. I don't even remember what was going through my head to miss this. I don't know. I don't remember, but this should have been an easy trade. We wick out the bottom level, and then we break this top level, push, retrace, second push, enter, take profit at the next level. Easy trade. I don't know why I didn't take it. I'm just stupid. And then Friday was a no trade day. Yeah. So we had NFP, crazy news in the morning, and that just messed up the whole entire markets. So I just opted not to trade. I don't really think there was any good setup, so I didn't take anything. So a no trade day on Friday. NASDAQ was phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal this week. And you can kind of see the students did better. That's because the market was just a little bit better too. So if you took all the trades on NASDAQ, you would have had 4 wins and 1 loss. So NASDAQ was amazing. So yeah. What questions do we have now? How much is the course? The course is free. There you go. Why you put a win on a loss on the PnL? Because I should have won. I should have won, but I didn't. I'm saying in like looking back, what should have happened. And then I compare that to what actually happened. So I should have won, and I didn't. So that's just a mistake. Dude, I have this one fly that keeps flying around. I can't kill him. He's like the GOAT. I cannot get him, bro. I opened my door for like 5 minutes and then came right in, and now I can't get him out. It's brutal. Is it in his Discord? Yes. I think it was just a slow day. It was just slow that day. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. It should have been a win now. It's definitely my fault. So you say it took 1.5 years for you to become profitable, but that was only after locking in. How long were you simply interested in and watched the market? How long were you missed? So I'll say it this way. If I had myself to learn from, it would have taken me probably 3 months and not 1.5 years. I just was studying all the wrong information for so long. So it's not as hard. I definitely would not be to the level within 3 months, but I would have been profitable at least within 3 months. A lot of my students, they only take like a month or 2, and they start passing their fundings and everything. It's great. Yo, it's the very guy who got respected to the problem there on Thursday for NQ. Yeah, no. It already filled this for Valley Gap like halfway. So way more than halfway. So I already filled most of it. So it would not have been a big red flag for me. Why do you enter short on Monday, Tuesday? Because price pushed down significantly into those confluences. You could have also done that, Joe. And I actually have people who did. But it was just a little bit aggressive for me. And I'm more of a passive trader. Your team answer IGDMs or do you? It's me. You could tell me your Instagram at right now. I'll send you a picture of myself. You lose money when it goes down. Tony, holy shit. I like a new shirt. It's not a new shirt. I've had this shirt forever. So how much does the mentorship cost? That's the only answer I need. It's dependent on what you want. So the price changes based off of what you're actually looking for. There is no set price. I'm trading, like, where are you trading? Like the app? I use Trade Locker. Can I trade solely to the second push, no liquidity sweep, or for Valley Gap? Yes, that's what I do. If there's a liquidity sweep and for Valley Gap, then I obviously will just use it to my advantage. Can you use 1,000x leverage in the USA? Wow, you are fiending. You probably can. I use 100x leverage. So I don't know about 1,000. But yeah. Try another shot. Says I'll watch education, watch price action, but it doesn't really involve your strat. For that, I'd probably say no. Because I think overanalyzing is just as dangerous as underanalyzing. So, yeah. What are some of the wrong info you studied? Options trading. Fucking all these bullshit ass indicators. There was a lot of crazy stuff, but yeah. Under 18, can I still join? Yeah, you still can join, but you're just gonna have to do demo, unfortunately. Can I join if I'm... Bro. What evals do you use? I don't use evals anymore. You to go been in this for like 1 month and I passed first funded with the strat this week. Love it, bro. Amazing. I started my life with 100K. Do you think to succeed trading you have to be somewhat intelligent, or would you consider yourself smart? What were your grades? So I think, I did an IQ test. My IQ is like a 130 something, but you definitely do not need to be smart to make money within trading. And I'll tell you why. It's not actually being smart. It's more dedication and discipline. If I had someone, like look at Togi, for example. No hate to Togi. I love Togi. But his like IQ wise, his IQ isn't very high, but he's extremely good at social media. So regardless of your IQ, if you really give it everything into one skill, you can learn that skill very well. So it's not like more of an IQ thing. But yeah. Why do you ask for my phone number for Discord so that I can text you if anything goes wrong? So I usually enter in the first 5-minute candle. I actually prefer to do that, but some days it will be like the next one or something. What was the down payment on a Lambo? It was $105,000. I actually recorded myself. I recorded myself going to the bank and sending the wire. So yeah. Maybe a dumb question. Do you also use break and retest, or does it? It depends. If I get one, then great. But if not, it's not gonna alter the way I trade. I would use DAX. How many did you start with before you became profitable? I started with a 25K funded, so I started with $240, which is crazy. If you had to swing trade, would you do it? I already do that. Am I just off social media? I'm up a lot this week on that. Is your strategy similar to your strategy? No. Isn't Hero FX 500X leverage? I think you can choose. What's your opinion on long-term investments like 401ks and Roth IRAs? I am very pro long-term investment, but I think you can outperform those. I mean, I can. If you just listened to me, you would have outperformed it ridiculously, right? So like what? A Roth IRA is going to give you like 10% a year. If you listened to me and the free play I gave you on Instagram, 10% a year or 40% in a couple months, right? So long-term investments are great. I will always encourage them. But I do think if you just open your eyes a little bit, you can outperform those Roth IRAs by a lot, even very basic stuff. So, and yeah, I have education on that in my Discord. You used to trade options? I used to trade options in the beginning. That was the first thing I ever did, which was crazy. I finally became a break-even trader for a month. I'm thinking of taking a week completely off the charts to trade on demo. So I wouldn't say take a week off, because then that's a week that you're not gaining market experience. I would just do demo for sure. What platform for IQ test? I took a real one because my mom works at a school, and at the school they do IQ tests for like some of the students. So I just took it just for fun. But yeah. How much do you spend time per day to learn the skill? So I spent a lot. I spent a lot of time per day. I probably spent like 3 to 5 hours a day every single day. But realistically, you only need to put in like an hour a day and you'll probably be fine. Have you met Brez? What other Miami gurus have you met? I haven't really met any of them. I don't know. They're too Hollywood for me. When do you make your membership monthly payment? It's just a one-time payment. I don't do monthly. BTC investment soon. If it starts dropping, then hell yeah. Prop firm is the best thing I've discovered. Yeah, for real. It's good. What is your computer? I have a Mac Mini. I don't even have a PC. So yeah, I didn't spend like any money on a computer at all. Even though I really should. For your long-term investments, do you use fundamental analysis or just rely on technical? I use everything for long-term investments. Everything you could think of, I use. Are those red levels psychological levels? No, they're just actual levels. I started like actually trading when I was 17. I think long-term investments are good for safety net. Absolutely, yeah, that's why I do both. Nah, I just use TradeLocker. How long are your swing trades? My swing trades vary a lot based off what type of trade it is. Do you mean more from that or velocity? Right now, velocity trading, but very soon, I'm going to say probably within the next year, I'm going to make a lot more from my longer term stuff. Did you ever work a job? I used to work for $9 an hour, dude. It was crazy. Have you ever taken a long-term shorts? That's a good question. I have. Actually, have I? I don't think so. I really don't think so. I'm kind of against that. I just wouldn't do that strong sponge at all. That's a funny profile picture. That's good. How do you feel about options trading? I mean, you got to be very careful with it. That theta decay will really kill you. Best material is starting to learn about liquidity. Dude, liquidity is such an easy concept. You can just look up a YouTube video on it and be fine. Have you ever thought about building a trading account to 10 million? Yeah, I'll probably do that soon. When's your birthday? It's in November. Did you come from a lot of money? No, my mom was a public school teacher, and my dad made slightly more than my mom, so no. I wasn't given any money to start this. They were very against me trading, so they tried to convince me to stop trading, actually. So yeah. How long do you mean by long term? Like days, weeks, months, etc.? It can be all of them. It depends. It depends on what it is. So you basically grew 250 to hundreds of thousands. That's crazy. Technically, yes, I did. But I did it. I didn't like actually do it that way because I used a funded account. So it's kind of like not actually doing it, but technically, yes, I did. How did I discover SMC? How did I? Just YouTube, I'm pretty sure. Back then. What made you call the QQQ play? I don't give that info out for free. That's only for my students. But yeah. I got some crazy shit on that. You do the mentorship for the money or do I enjoy it? I do it for both. I enjoy it and I make money from it, so it's great. Like me and my mentorship students have a Minecraft server, which is funny. And I have like a Clash of Clans clan. Like I genuinely just, I actually like enjoy the people like this, my students. I enjoy being around them. I hang out with them IRL. So yeah, it's like both. I'm not gonna lie to you and say, oh, I don't do it for the money. The money's nice, but it's also fun and it's pretty easy to do. So yeah. But to become successful, we should make a song. That's interesting. When you do a trade, when you decide not to trade. I mean, that's all just in the moment. Joke is, I'm not gonna lie. There's nothing I could say to really tell you. It's just all in the moment, just seeing. Day 4 being Vita student, made 5K on my funded. Wow, nice stuff. Awesome. Good job, T-Eater. I love it. How would you trade Asian session or pre-London? If I had to trade Asian, I'd do gold. If I had to trade London, I'd do DAX. Do you have any traders you look up to? No, not really. I'm gonna be honest. You preset bias? I have no bias at all, to be honest. I don't predict. I just try and react. If you predict, then you're gonna get cooked. How can you trust trading as a career when you were a beginner? It was my only option. So it was either that or work a 9 to 5 for 45 years straight. So it's a pretty easy decision for me. How did it feel to get the first payout? It felt pretty unreal, to be honest. I remember it vividly. I remember the exact trade I took to pass my first ever account. And I remember I went to class right after the trade hit, and I was like fucking in awe. I didn't even, it was some bullshit ass class. I didn't listen to a single thing she said. I was just sitting there like, oh my God, I can't believe I did it. It was the craziest thing ever. I think I like called my dad and he didn't give a fuck, but which is kind of sad, but yeah, he didn't give a fuck at all. But yeah, I still remember it to that day. I'd think I started finding out under my parents' name hypothetically, you probably could, hypothetically, in GTA. What's your RR win rate? So my win rate over the past 11 months is like a 72%. And my RR is like a 1 to 1 to a 1 to 2. It's varied between there. So, yeah, nothing crazy. Looking sharp, man. Thank you, bro. How many years? 3 years. Would you go to Epstein's Island for $100 million? Bro, for 100 mil, I'd suck. Nah, all right, let me chill. How many accounts did I lose? I lost a couple. Not like a ton, though, because I did demo trading for a good amount of time. What your parents thought when you started trading, they're very against it. You said that you wish you would whisk 10K after you buy Lambo. Yeah, but the problem is I've now started to do some long-term stuff, so it's eating up a lot of my capital. But it's good. It's like a good problem to have. So, yeah. Parents don't care unless... Yeah, exactly. Yeah. They thought I was a fucking idiot until I pulled up and bought my dad a $150,000 car. Then they're like, oh, wait. This is not Vito. Who is this? You think it's better trade, bigger stop loss, and sacrifice RR for win rate? It depends on your strategy. For my strategy, yes, absolutely. Respect your chill even when candles go crazy. Yeah, obviously. I mean, you can't get all crazy and everything. How long was I on demo? I was on demo for like 6 months probably. I'm looking for how do you show that you can afford it since you don't really get pay stubs? Yes, so Treasure Nick, this is a major problem. And this was a problem with buying a Lamborghini too. So basically what I did is, you guys know how I showed a bank statement of like 150K. I only like really did that to prove to the Lambo people I can afford the car, which is funny. Because yeah, like I did it partially to show you guys that I'm actually trading and not just faking everything, which is obviously very important. But yeah, so basically what I have to do is I have to just take money out and then show them probably the most ridiculous bank statement you could ever see from a 19-year-old. I borderline showed them me making the whole entire Lamborghini in a month at 19. So you just have to like show them the money in a bank, which really sucks, but it is, that's the only way you can really do it. Do I know any fake traders? Yes, I know a lot, unfortunately. It sucks. That's why I show my bank statements, to kind of separate myself. Would you sell out for 10 mil or 100? If it was at the expense of other people, no. I'll tell you guys right now, I had a deal from a broker, 100K a month, and I didn't take it. And I have the screenshot of me denying it, which is insane. So, yeah. I mean, that technically counts because, what, over 10 years, I would have made 10 mil. So, yeah, I didn't sell out for 100K a month. So, yeah. Makes sense. Yeah, no, your parents just want what's best for you, but they don't know what's best for you. So, don't ever take it as your parents are hating. They just don't understand. So, it is what it is. What's your go-to drink for keeping focused during sessions? Chocolate milk by Fairlife, for sure. Ever tried leverage trading crypto? Nah, not yet. Is Trades by Side legit? Claims to make. I don't even know who that is at all. I'm going to be honest. What does it feel to be stable and not have to work a job? It's probably one of the best feelings in the world. Especially last week was the week where all the college kids went back to school. It's insane. Just waking up on Monday and just going to trade and not having to go like move in, go to class. It's amazing. It's insane. Do you think that Jew does some secret rituals in night? He does some clapping rituals for some reason. What's harder, catching NASDAQ moves or explaining it to your mom what you do? So my mom like knows what I do. She has no clue how I do it. Like she would never understand the strategy. But yeah, I'm a Jew. We do so. One of my good friends from hometown is Jewish. What kind of trade would you recommend? So I'm close to T8 or whatever you've been doing, just do it. If it isn't broke, don't fix it. When do I turn 20? In a couple months. I'm Jewish for real, but I was joking. Bro, no, I don't. I like Jewish people, bro. Jewish people are tough. Bro doesn't know trades by say? I don't know. Please say the fake traders. No. I do think I'd be cap on some of his trades. I don't know who that is again. No, it'd be bad at you for promoting that broker, cuh. It wasn't a very good broker. It looks very sketchy, so yeah. What's your next car? Is FX actually legit? Do your own research on that, and you'll probably find out. What's your next car? It'll probably be an Aventador. to be honest. I think that might be the next one. Either an Aventador SV or SVJ. That'll probably be it. Trade by side claim to make 11 million a week. That's insane. How often do I go live? I go live daily in the free Discord. 9 to 5 sucks so bad. I know. I worked multiple. Yeah, I got scammed out of 20K from TGR's prop firm, which sucks. What am I studying? I'm not in college anymore. I dropped out. What are you doing today when you're done trading? Whatever I want, and I just enjoy my life. I missed it, bro. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Woo, nice. Okay. Originally, it's all fake, bro. We are all God's children. Yeah. Once you get profitable, how long did it take? 10K a month. That's a good question. So how long after I actually became profitable did it take to make 10K a month? So I was on a 200K, so it didn't take me that long, but I was stuck at 10K a month for a long time before I was like actually moving up. So it probably took me like 2 months after becoming profitable to make 10K a month, just because I was on a 200K funded. What do you think about the Lambo years? You sleeping on that? I don't know. I think it's like a girl car, to be honest. Okay. What college do you go to? I don't go to college anymore. All right, let's move on. Let's move on to US 30. 1 sec. I gotta text my friend back. I don't know what the fuck I even just read for that text. It was like a shit show. All right, let's go to Monday. Monday fun day. It's Monday fun day on US 30. Not really. All right, so Monday fun day was not really that fun day. So I didn't trade US 30 on this day. Wow, you honestly could have lost in this day. I'm not gonna lie. This was looking like it could just straight have been a loss. And the reason is, yes, we had this level and we had this liquidity. So if you actually waited here, you got cooked. I think this is just a losing day. Like if you took a trade in US 30 on this day, you just straight up lost. Wow. Because I don't know if this gave an entry. I'm not 100% sure, but this looks like a losing day. Because we have this level here and you have this. So if you wait for a push, retrace second push, you're probably entering like somewhere here. And then you're just getting cooked. And this move is at 945, so I would not be taking this realistically. So this is just a losing day, unfortunately. That sucks. But NASDAQ looked way, way better. So therefore, I mean, you're pretty good. And just a little free sauce for you guys. If US 30 doesn't make a massive, massive move within like the first 3 minutes, you can literally just stay away from it and you should be fine. So yeah, this is just straight up a losing day on US 30. Again, that's why we avoided it. I'll put it here. So US 30 just would have straight up been an L, which sucks. But yeah, again, you got to be very careful. If US 30 isn't doing anything within that first like 3 minutes, just stay away, gang. Stay away. So that would have been just straight up loss in US 30. I don't think US 30 was that great this week, to be honest. That's why we took all NAS. Oh, like this. So this would have been a win here. Where was the level though? Bro, where the freak was the level? All right, so that's where the level was. So, all right, so this is what I mean. You know exactly what I just said. If it doesn't make a massive move within the first 3 minutes, you're cooked. This is what you want to see. And you want to just get in on the short. The problem is this level is a little bit funky, right? There's not a lot of price action here, and we have this wick out. So it just didn't look very good to me. And I mean, if you took the short, you won on this day. So technically it is a winning day. So, I mean, yeah, it's a winning day. But realistically, in the moment, are you taking this? Probably not. And the reason why is because this level just kind of sucks. And you have this weird little wick out here. Not a lot of price action. So let me change it. I'm going to say no trade. Because hypothetically, you would have won. But actually, in the moment, would you have taken this and won? No. I didn't take it. And now it's just looked way better. So, again, that's why I took it on that day instead. So, technically, you should have won because you would have taken a short off this and most likely hit take profit. But, yeah, I don't know. It just didn't look good in the moment. So, I didn't take it. All right. That's odd. Yeah, your series wasn't good. This was a nice, easy day. What you take, whatever trade is here. So, yeah, what do you see? Where's the level here? Yeah, so levels here. What did I adjust it to here? All right, bro. Just moved it by accident. All right. So we have a nice little pre-market wick out here, and then we come back down. So you wait for a push, retrace, second push, you enter long, and then you're taking profit here. Stop loss is like here, or I guess wherever. You have stop loss here and entry here type of thing. So yeah, literally if you entered within this at all, which is obviously what you would have done because we had this level here, and you wicked it out pre-market, which is just an extra confirmation there. Push, retrace, second push, enter, you win. Take profit at the next level. So very easy stuff there. One of like the only good days for US 30. I guess Friday was good as well. You'll see. All right, let's go to Thursday now. So Wednesday was a nice, simple day. This just would have been a loss. We wicked out both ways. And this is what I mean, boys. So actually, in the moment, if you played this truly correctly, it would have been a no trade. Because we had our first push, and then we never got a second push here. And then we didn't get our second push down until after that 2.5, 3 minute mark. So you actually should not have taken a trade on this. And that's how I was able to avoid this loss in US 30. I'm still going to write it down as a loss, though, because in a lot of cases, you actually would lose on that. So, yeah, that's how you could have avoided it. We only got one push to the upside. And then the second push to the downside did happen, but it happened after that 3 or 2.5 minute mark. So you could have avoided that fake out. And that's what I did. I avoided this fake out, actually. But overall, just horrible price action. Not too much you can do about it. So I'm going to write that as a loss. And then Friday was a win. I remember Friday. I should have taken it. A lot of my free students took it. So I kind of sold. Friday was a nice big up move. You're going to see right here. Boom. Nope, that's not it. Here it is. All right, so we have our top level here. We have our bottom level here. What do we see? We come down pre-market. We wick out this for value gap, wick out this, wick out the level, and then big push up. If you take the long anywhere here, you're winning this trade, whether you take profits here, 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 here. Very easy stuff. We wick out the bottom, and then what? Same old stuff. We push above the level, we retrace, you enter off a second push, and then you win. So overall, what do we have? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins. 2 break-evens / no trades, 2 losses. So overall, another good price action week. As you guys can see, 87% of my students won. So pretty good. If you took every single trade using my strategy this week, you would have had 6 wins, 2 break-evens, and 2 losses. So very good stuff. And that's exactly what we are looking for, which is amazing. So yeah, that's basically what this week looked like. What questions do we have, boys? What are the red levels? Just asking their levels. That's what they're called. How long are you in the learning stage? Like 1.5 years. Don't I need more money to do a strat? You can just do it on demo. You could buy multiple funders to scale more. Absolutely. I just use my own money, though. How good of a concept are for value guys for you? I like them a lot. What lot size did you use on 200K funded? Your lot size changes every single trade. Look. So if your stop loss is 2.5 points, your lot size is 20. If your stop loss is 30 points, that goes down to a 1.6. So it changes directly off how big your stop loss is. Can you make a YouTube vid on how you figure out your levels? I literally have a full free course for you, gang. Come on. I should pin that. Let me pin this. Here we go. So that's good prop firms. Top Step is pretty good. And I'm not sponsored or anything. Do you know any prop firms which lets you trade DAX? I think the majority of them let you trade DAX. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah. Backtest 2013. Okay. Let's backtest when I was like fucking 10 years old or 8 years old, whatever. What's a good backtest site to do this? FX Replay and then Trading View is good. Is Clarity Trading good? I don't know. I've never heard of them. Thinking about My Funded Futures? I don't know. Never used them, so I can't really give you an accurate... Dude, this fucking bug. I'm going to crash out. I can't give you an accurate answer on that, unfortunately. Which sucks. I started trading when I was 17. I traded on demo, though. So, yeah. How exact do you use for value gaps? I use them. I mean, I know that they're gonna get hit, and there's a chance that they're gonna be reacted off of, so I can use them as take profits or reasons to not enter a trade type of thing. What should I have in my portfolio before I move to live? Probably like 25K. I hate school. Me too. I'm not in school though, but yeah. Feeding for Monday. Me too. Did you trade while you were in school? I did. I could do anything at Mentor by you for free IRO. I'm in Poland. You need to make profitable. Dude, you're not even in the same country as me. So, no. What's your opinion on funded next futures? Never heard of them. Good for value gap is TJ's bootcamp. I have a video on for value gaps as well, but yeah, his is good too. Yeah. But he just gambles really right now. I know. Dude, he'd be trading off news and everything. It's crazy. They're a new prop firm. Yeah. I don't know. I can't tell you anything about it. How much would you risk on a 25K account? Probably just 1%, 250 bucks. Nothing crazy. Did you make your indicators like the equal highs and lows yourself? Nope. I had someone do it for me. So, yeah. All right. Any more questions before we put some games? Side indicator. Is the Discord worth it if I've already watched the free Discord? Yes, because I do live streams every day. So how would that not be worth it? If my bit was the Drew bit, why don't you need to use at least 2 honey pack? Bro, you might need to put a... All right, I got to chill. How do you set percent but not contracts on Trade Locker? What? I don't know. I do it just based off lot size, so that's it. What made you use HeroFX over regular brokers like TradeAvate? I just like that's all in crypto. I mean, your wires don't see any material because you actually have them posted somewhere. It's in the wall. But that's like for my students. It's under the trade. It's literally under the trade recap section. Yo, how we doing? I'm doing great, bro. How are you? When's the back testing? Oh my god, I'm gonna crash out. Said Jews cause liquidity sweeps. Is that true? I don't know, bro. I don't know what he's saying. Saying some crazy stuff. Do you like crypto payouts for tax purposes? I like crypto payouts because I know how to trade crypto well. Is trading gambling? Trading is gambling, but your odds of winning are higher than losing. So it's like an educated guess almost. That's the best way I could describe it. act and ask to join in. Be honest. No. He's really loud though when he cracks. It's insane. Like I had to put like my AirPods in because it was that loud. Derek causes the liquidity sweeps. Okay. Okay. All right. Do we have any actual questions before we play some Lil Beans or no? You think I can get a payout from FTMO copying other traders? Probably. You're never gonna learn yourself though, and then you're probably gonna be cooked for the rest of your life. Do you mark the levels yourself? Yes. How's the Lambo? It's amazing. I am going to be getting a wing on it. So it'll be great. All right, boys, it's go time. It's go time, boys. Should I drop out of college? No. For the most effective TPs, levels, liquidity, info value apps. All right, let's go. Everyone join up. Let's run it. Run it, run it, run it, run it. You're about to find out what Lil Beans is. Let's go. Everyone join up. We do 2 rounds every day. Let's go. Do I have some money invested in crypto? I have 7 figures invested in crypto. All right, let's go. Everyone join up. Join up. Click the link that I just sent in so you can play with us. I just saw the fly, bro. This fly is driving me bonkers. It's so small. It's not an actual fly. I don't know what it is. It's like microscopic. All right, join up. Let's go. Wait, I see the fly. No, dude, it's like you can't even keep your eyes on it. It's brutal. You are my liquidity and roll beans. That ad is irate. I'm sorry if it was loud. Join up. We got 10 spots left. And straight N-word off rip. Okay. Okay. Next time I put the desktop volume lower. My bad. My bad, gang. Join up, boys. Let's go. Bro, I actually spent money in the game. I bought the battle pass of the game, bro. I'm sorry. I need a job. Dig big. Vito's 8-inch. All right, we got 8 spots left. Join up. I'm giving it 1 more minute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Multi-mirror 8-inch and thick. How do you know that? What the fuck? Don't be the guys say, guys. Never fake their trick shot. The Morgan trades. Classic. All right. Let's go. Let's start it up. Let's go. All right. Oh no. Shoot. How the fuck is that? A plant running around? Oh my goodness gracious. What is this, bro? It's a plant with chicken legs. It's trying to push me off. Okay. All right, stop. Wait, is there 2 polos? Oh no, it's Visco. All right, let's run it. All right, all right. Yup. Yup. Okay. Ooh, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good already. Yup. 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 Yes. All right, let's go. Hey! Oh my God, I'm cooking. Oh my God, I'm cooking. Oh my, dude, don't even start with me. Don't even start. I'm cooking. I'm absolutely cooking. No, I thought I was him. I'm gonna try again. Try again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, oh, I thought it was first. Armani, thank you for all the diamonds today. Armani gave me hella diamonds in the Minecraft server today. What a dog. Oh shit, that one's coming right for me, bro. Hold up. Bro, the fly! Oh my God. I'll be good. Dude, this fly needs to get... I wish it would. I wish it would show up right now. This fly is driving me crazy, bro. Why am I looking at a wall? Tay-Tay. Holy Tay-Tay is stupid, bro. GG. Yeah. Shut the fuck up, Jazzy, bro. Millie and Samuel. How are we losing this? Oh my gosh, bro. All right. Top 20. Top 20. Let's go. Let's go. Why does BR follow Morgan? Had to do it. Yeah, this guy can shut the fuck up. All right. Let's lock in. Let's lock in here. Ooh. Oh, we went the long way around, bro. Oh, no, I might have went the long way around again. No! Oh, that was massive blunder by me. Okay. Okay. Hold up. It's come back. It's come back. All right, bet. Oh, we're good. We're good. All right. There's no way, bro. Go back up. Ooh. Speed boost. Get up, please. Thank you. All right, bet. Yup. Yup. Let's go. Let's go. Holy. All right, bro. We cannot let this guy win at all. Wait, he has the crown? This guy's a tryhard. You have to win like hella games. Bro, this guy is a tryhard. We have to beat him here, boys. We cannot let Ferocious 15 win. There's no way. If he wins, I'm gonna be so mad. He's in the back. All right. Yep. No! There goes my whole round, dude. Bro! Woo! What? Nah. Wait. Nah, wait, whoa. Polo. How did you just do that? Nah, Polo is goated at this game. What the fuck? Nah. Polo, how did you just do that? What is Zaxby's Lil Beans? You just watched it. We're gonna do one more. Polo, how did you just do that? I'm so confused. Oh, I'm sorry if the volume is loud. My bad. Alright, last one, let's go. Thank you, Master. Bro, tell me how the fuck you did it. Alright, join up, join up. Morgan done what he had to do. Bro. Bro, dude, I just feel bad for his girl when he lost a trade. Four of us. Bro, my keyboard cooked my whole game. Skill issue. All right, everyone join up. Let's go. Bro, put that hours of the trading. Yo, if you guys haven't already, go like and comment my recent reel. And the vlog, too. I love chicken. Okay. I'm betting on Ferocious 15 to win. He's a random. He's not going to be in our game again. I love basketball. I like spaghetti. Okay. All right, everyone finish joining. All right, is everyone in? We good? All right, let's go. Push him off. No, don't push me off. Yep. What? Polo, get off my dick. Okay, ready? Okay. How? There's no way. This is the most insane thing ever. Polo, do it. Do it, Polo. Do it! No! I want to see you do it. Yeah, so we're stupid. Okay. What? How? Oh my God. No, I didn't see where it went. I love and appreciate you all. If you haven't already, joined the free Discord. Yeah. That's gonna be it. I love you all. I'll see you guys back at it on Monday. And have a good rest of your day, guys. For real. Appreciate you all. All right. I'll see you guys. Have a good one.